What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So you know I've been an LG fan for a very long time. I make a bunch of videos showcasing how their devices are, whether that is good or bad. I make comparison videos and everything in between. I have a large community of LG fans that watch my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Well, you guys been hitting me in the comments. There's been a lot of stuff been going on out there about the fate of LG. And y'all guys know I've been making a bunch of videos giving you my opinion about what I think about LG's mobile department. So in this video, once again, we heard some detrimental news about LG. Let me give you my thoughts about the LG mobile department in this video. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
I am going to end this once and for all.
You can't. You must stand trial.
What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So in January 2021, LG's electronic CEO came out on record and said all options is on the table when it comes down to their mobile department. As you know, their mobile department been losing billions upon billions for the last 5 or 6 years. And that is not a good thing. So as of now, the company has halted all plans for the first half of 2021 as far as rollout in any phones. This is why you're not hearing any rumors about the V70. You're not seeing any Wing 2s or anything like that, because right now everything is on hold. And as you know, LG usually roll out the devices the first half of the year. So we haven't got any new devices. That's very concerning. And I'm gonna tell you, and also you notice in the carriers, you're getting deep discounts when it comes down to devices. The LG Velvet, I've been hearing people saying they've been getting it relatively cheap on the carriers. Also, you're starting to see a lot of discontinued devices out of the carriers. So what does all this mean? Here's my thoughts. If you like LG devices, go and get them. I think in 2021, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna get some support. I mean, think about this. The LG V60 got Android 11. We saw a roadmap that the 2020 devices probably going to get Android 11. But that's in 2021. Now in 2022, we don't know the fate of LG. And again, the first half of 2021, they put a halt on all rollouts, right? So we got to see what's going to happen with the second half of 2021. But if you're an LG fan, I believe that if you want to upgrade your device to a V60 or Velvet or Wing, I think you ought to do it, especially with the deep discounts that the carriers is doing. Plus you see them on the used market relatively cheap and everything else in between. If you are a diehard LG fan.
I need him.
Look, here's the thing. It's LG's fault that they're in this pickle anyway, right? Poor marketing, that's one thing. I mean, they came out with the LG Wing was a very innovative device, but nobody don't know about it. I mean, where's the marketing? Where's the commercials? Where's a lot of different things? Nobody didn't know about it. You'll see a couple of YouTubers make videos about it, but the average consumer, you know, they don't know anything about it. The LG V60, think about it. If you put a Samsung device next to an LG device, most of your consumers that watch TV and that's be on social media, what do they see? Samsung commercials all over the place. You don't see LG promoting and pushing the LG V60. So this is one of the reasons why people would go Samsung instead of LG. That's the thing. A lot of diehard fans is upset because of that. A lot of diehard fans know how good the product is. But at the end of the day, as a company, you have to make money, baby. As a company, you got to make money. LG phones might be the best phones that you ever had. A lot of y'all diehard fans would never give up on LG. But at the end of the day, LG got to look out for LG, baby. They got to make money. One thing about it, a company got to make money. If they don't make money, they gonna move on to something else. And I think for years now, losing billions of dollars in their mobile department, they're making a change. I'm going to continue to make videos about the LG devices. Look, on this YouTube channel, y'all guys know I make a lot of videos about LG phones. I'm going to continue to do that. And the reason why is because I'm a huge LG fan. And plus I'm a techie, right? And plus LG devices and their platform and their software is getting good. I mean, again, we still waiting on some software updates as far as the Velvet and the Wing to get you to Android 11. But the LG V60 is on Android 11, and I tell you what, LG's desktop mode is getting better. The quad DACs are good, the cameras are good, the battery life is good, the body style is good. You got a lot of good things in, on LG devices. Everybody that's listening to, all the hype around Samsung that's promising 3 years of software updates, 4 years of software updates, and you got an LG device that haven't seen the update in months. Yeah, you do think and you feel some kind of way about that. And look, I won't blame you. I would feel some kind of way also if everybody else is running, Android 11, get ready for Android 12, and your device still running on Android 9 and Android 10. And that's a shame. Look, since LG phones are getting cheap, I might go pick up, a couple of phones that I don't even have just because of the price point. I mean, look, you talk about $300-400 for these phones, which, listen, a lot of people will bypass updates, right? A lot of people will bypass updates to get a good price, a good value device. So I think that's where we at right now. So this is all I know at this time. The more I know, the more I share. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think about the LG mobile department. Look, I know I've been making a lot of videos about LG. I know I've been critical about LG. A lot of people posting a lot of speculation. People posting a lot of, stuff about LG right now that's not good. People posted it and say, hey, LG's about to call it quits. It's time to put on the suit. It's time to do the funeral video for LG. I'm holding off on it. And the reason why is because it's a lot of value with these phones. I love working with them. I love using it. I love doing comparison videos with them. I love a lot about them. But even though I like the phone, at the end of the day, it still got to be supported. Let me know down in the comments below. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.